Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on my 2012 Honda CRV here. Just bought it used, one owner, clean title. Everything looks nice and clean. But today I'm working on the interior. I'm just putting the leather seat cover on the front and the rear here. So everything is nice and clean. One owner, super clean. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how to install the leather seat cover. I have the seat cover here. I bought this on Amazon. It's universal, fits a lot of cars. I bought these set for 160, and it comes with all the bracket that they gave, the instruction too. So for the seats, they have the front here, and for the rear, pretty nice color, good material, very thick. I don't feel cheap at all. I'm just gonna follow the instruction here, and then I'm gonna put all the little bracket into the seat, the cover. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna follow the step, and then I'll run you guys through it again. It only fit one way, so this one will be the driver's side. So you can see it says airbag right there. It's very easy. So you can see it goes with the label right here. It says airbag. So that side was for the driver's side, and then the passenger side will have the label on the right side. So it only fit one way. So I'm just gonna put everything in, and then I'll run you guys through it again. Follow the instruction, put the accessory piece in like this, just like how the picture shows right there. And then for the bottom part, this one's the hook, and then I just install it in with the hook. This is for the seat, the butt, and this is the back. For the headrest here, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna bag it up, put the headrest in here, just like that. It's just very easy, simple, just like you putting on your clothes. That one I kind of put in a halfway already. Same thing, pull it down. Almost done on this side, but I'm gonna put the full back in, and then the headrest. For the armrest, I just hit the 14 millimeter bolt. You guys can see the 14 millimeter bolt right there. So I just hit it, and then move the cover down. And then for this one, I'm gonna have it fully sits down, make sure everything is aligned, and then I'm gonna use the little razor to cut a little opening right here to have the little pin poke out, so that way the pin, it aligns with the armrest right here, and that way I can put everything back. Everything to this side, I'm gonna hit the 14 millimeter. There you go. There you go. You guys can see it's that simple. For your vehicle, it might be different, but for this vehicle, for the Honda, it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna pull everything down, cut a little slot right here to have the pin here line up with the armrest, and I can put it back. So looking good. Now everything is fully seated down. For you to get the remove the headrest, there's a button right here on the side. You just have to press it and pull the headrest up. But that's how it looks. And I'm gonna put back the headrest. I have to press the button for it to lower down. Everything clips in just like that. For this part, the accessory piece right here, I'm gonna shove it all the way behind the chair, and I'm gonna go to the back, and I'm gonna flip it so that way it sits tight. Same thing to this one. I'm gonna shove this all the way to the back, so that way it sits tight. The black piece right there, I pull it all the way to the back here, and I have it sit tight like that. And I did it the same for the other side too, right there. Now I just have to pull the other piece to the back here so it sits tight, same thing. You guys can see here, I made a little cut right here to poke the pin through. And then I poke a little hole right here for the bolt to go in. That's perfect. I'm just gonna reinstall the armrest. Put the bolt back, I'm just gonna tighten it. Just hit it a little bit, that's it. And then I'm just gonna put the cover back. Should be good. There you go. It's pretty good. Now I'm gonna do it to this side. All right guys, this is the final result. I got everything in, tuck everything in nice and tight. This is how it looks like. Tuck them all in like that. Look a lot better than before. You guys can see the back right there, fully leather. So for this kit, the two front seat is the full piece, which is it covers the front and the back. And then for the back one, it's just the half. It only covers the front only, not the back, but it hooks on to all the frame with the hook, the pieces they provide. So this is how it looks. Everything looks good. Let me show you. So I still have some extra piece. Some of it I use the hook, some of it I have to use this, strap them in and tuck them in. So you can see here, I tuck them in with all the strap right there. For the front here, this one I use the, you can use the hook or the piece right here, but I use this one. The hook, it fell off a couple times, so I just used this one and I tuck them in so it sits nice and tight. Now let me show you the whole thing. Same thing on the side here. I used the black piece, I tucked them in. You can see just like that. Now for the metal piece right here, this leather piece, I did not take out this piece. This is Velcro, so the reason why I didn't Velcro it down, because if people in the back seat here, they want to use the cup holder, they can pull this down. So this metal piece, I didn't Velcro it down. So if you Velcro it down, you can't pull down the cup holder here. If you pull it down with it Velcro, it's gonna take off both of the seat cover down together. So I didn't Velcro it. So looks pretty good, not bad. I'm happy with it. Now for the front, same thing. You can see this is the, I mean for the front seat, the back side, I did the same thing. Some of it you're gonna use the hook. You're gonna use the hook. They gave me extra. So some of it I use hook, some of it I use the round black piece, and I tuck them down there. So everything nice and tight. There you go. Same thing on this side. Let me show you the back side. The back side is just like that. So for the back, it's just only half of the seat cover in the front. It doesn't cover the whole seat. If you want the one that's cover the whole seat, it's gonna be around like $300. But this one, I remember I said like 160, around there. That's good enough. Looks a lot better. Let me show you the front one more time. Now I'm really happy with the front. The front is really nice. On the passenger seat, same thing. I just tucked them in, everything just like that. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. Dome, I'm out. Peace.